Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Is your car's excessive body roll a cause for concern? Ever feel like your car sways more than it should during turns? That excessive body roll can be more than just a minor inconvenience. It could be a sign of underlying issues that need attention. In this video, we'll help you understand why your car is experiencing excessive body roll and what you can do about it. From worn-out suspension components to tire problems, discovering the root cause is key to restoring your vehicle's stability. Keep reading to learn how to identify and address this problem efficiently, ensuring a smoother and safer ride. What is excessive body roll in a car? Excessive body roll in a car refers to the lateral tilting or leaning motion of a vehicle when going around corners or navigating uneven road surfaces. This phenomenon occurs when the weight transfer in a vehicle is not properly controlled, leading to a noticeable sway or lean to one side. Definition of body roll. Body roll is a natural occurrence in all vehicles to some extent, influenced by factors such as suspension design, weight distribution, and cornering speed. When a car corners, the centrifugal force acting on the vehicle causes it to lean towards the outside of the turn. This motion is known as body roll and is a key aspect of a vehicle's dynamic behavior. Causes of excessive body roll. Soft suspension. One of the primary reasons for excessive body roll is having a suspension setup that is too soft. A soft suspension allows for more weight transfer during cornering, leading to increased body roll. High center of gravity. Vehicles with a higher center of gravity, such as SUVs or trucks, are more prone to excessive body roll. The higher the center of gravity, the more leverage there is for the vehicle to lean when going around corners. Worn or faulty suspension components. Damaged or worn-out shock absorbers, struts, or springs can contribute to excessive body roll. These components play a crucial role in stabilizing the vehicle and limiting excessive movement during cornering. Improper tire inflation. Incorrect tire pressure can impact how the vehicle handles during cornering. Underinflated tires can lead to increased sidewall flex, resulting in a more pronounced body roll. Heavy cargo load. Carrying a heavy load in the trunk or cargo area can raise the vehicle's center of gravity, increasing the likelihood of excessive body roll during maneuvers. Aggressive driving. High-speed cornering, sudden lane changes, and abrupt maneuvers can exacerbate body roll in a vehicle. Aggressive driving techniques can induce more weight transfer, leading to increased tilt and sway. Understanding the causes of excessive body roll is essential for diagnosing and addressing this issue in a vehicle. By identifying the underlying factors contributing to body roll, drivers can take appropriate measures to improve their vehicle's stability and handling characteristics. Signs of excessive body roll. The feeling of instability while driving. When your car experiences excessive body roll, you may notice a significant feeling of instability while driving. This can manifest as a sensation that the car leans too much to one side when going around corners or making turns. You might feel like you have less control over the vehicle, especially at higher speeds. If you sense that your car is swaying excessively, it could be a sign of underlying issues causing the body roll. Increased tire wear. One of the telltale signs of excessive body roll in a car is increased tire wear. When your vehicle leans excessively during turns or maneuvers, it puts uneven pressure on the tires. This uneven pressure can lead to accelerated wear on the outer edges of the tires. If you notice that your tires are wearing out unevenly or more quickly than usual, it could be a result of the body roll caused by issues such as worn-out suspension components or improper wheel alignment. Difficulties in cornering. Experiencing difficulties in cornering is another common sign of excessive body roll in a vehicle. When your car leans excessively to one side while taking corners, it can affect the handling and stability of the vehicle. You may find it challenging to navigate sharp turns or curves smoothly and efficiently. If you feel like your car struggles to maintain stability during cornering, or if you need to make significant steering corrections to keep it on the intended path, it could be due to issues related to body roll. By paying attention to these signs of excessive body roll in your car, you can take proactive steps to address any underlying problems that may be causing the issue. Regular maintenance and inspections can help ensure that your vehicle's suspension system is in good condition, promoting a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Importance of addressing body roll issues. Addressing body roll issues in your car is crucial for several reasons. Let's delve into why it's essential to tackle these problems promptly and effectively. Ensures safety on the road. When your vehicle experiences excessive body roll, especially around corners or during sudden maneuvers, it can significantly impact your ability to control the car. Addressing body roll issues promptly enhances the stability of your vehicle, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring a safer driving experience for you and your passengers. Preserves tire wear and performance. Body roll can lead to uneven tire wear, affecting the performance and lifespan of your tires. By addressing body roll issues, you not only improve the handling of your car but also preserve the integrity of your tires, extending their longevity and optimizing their performance on the road. Thanks for watching Part 1. Tune in for Part 2 where we explore solutions to excessive body roll. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.